Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play Magic Chess on chess.com, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the main page and I'm logged into my account, and to play Magic Chess as well as any other variants, you're going to go and hover over the play icon in the top left. Then you're going to want to click on the 4-player and variants, and as you can see here, you have a wide variety of variants to choose from. You can filter them however you want. You have free for all variants, extra variants, common variants, giveaway such as anti-chess and team variants, and you can search for lobbies, arenas, watch games, leaderboards, etc., etc. Now you have all of these here, and to play Magic Chess, you can just go to most popular, and spell chess is exactly Magic Chess, which you're going to be playing. Just click on this and then click play, customize the options beforehand and versus whoever you want to play, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Now you of course have other variants as well. For example, I saw Magic Checkers, or as you can see, Checky Spell Chess, which is just spell chess with checkers. And yeah, you have all that you want and all that you could want to play. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.